In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set the Do Not Disturb feature in Zoom. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's start by opening the Zoom desktop app on your computer. Go ahead and find it on your desktop or in your Applications folder and give it a double click to launch it. If you're already logged in, great. You'll be able to get started right away. Once the Zoom app is open, look towards the upper right corner of the window. You should see either your profile picture or your initials, depending on whether you've uploaded a photo or not. Click on that picture or those initials. It's like your personal hub for settings and status updates. Now a drop-down menu will appear. This is where you can manage your online presence. At the moment, you probably see options such as Available and maybe some other statuses. To set yourself to Do Not Disturb, you'll want to select that option from the menu. So go ahead and click on Available, and it should expand to reveal more choices. Now you'll find the Do Not Disturb option there. Click on it. This action indicates to your colleagues and anyone trying to reach you that you're currently unavailable for conversations or meetings. It's especially helpful when you need to focus on a task, or if you're in a meeting and don't want to be interrupted by notifications. After selecting Do Not Disturb, you might not see a confirmation automatically, but there's one more step to make sure everything is set correctly. Look around for a button that says Save or Done at the bottom of the drop-down menu. You'll want to click that to confirm and apply your new status. And that's it. Now you're all set to minimize distractions during your work time. Remember, when you have Do Not Disturb activated, you won't receive pop-up notifications from Zoom or other applications about incoming calls or messages. It's like giving yourself a little bubble of uninterrupted focus. If at any time you feel like you need to switch back to a more engaging status, you can just repeat these steps. Go back to your profile picture or initials, click it, and select an alternative status that suits your work needs better. Maybe you'll want to switch back to Available, or choose a different status that communicates what you're doing. And there you go. Setting Do Not Disturb in Zoom is a simple yet effective way to manage your time and productivity. This feature can make a significant difference when juggling multiple tasks or trying to find some quiet time to concentrate. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful tips and tricks about Zoom and other tools that can enhance your remote working experience. Remember, finding the right balance between being available and focusing on your tasks is crucial to staying productive. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy your uninterrupted work time.